Daily convenience and optimal security. The Keymitt Smart Lock was designed with this in mind. Installing the Keymitt Smart Lock is fast and super easy. Just attach the device onto your door and over your door lock with the adhesive pad. The included bolt turner ensures the Keymitt Smart Lock works on most doors, even if the device doesn't fit perfectly onto your lock. Users in Japan are raving about the Smart Lock's simple installation. And today, the Keymitt Smart Lock is the most successful smart lock in Japan. The makers of the Keymitt Smart Lock are hard at work, designing new adapters to fit most door types in the West. The main unit features a durable mechanical design and uses proven robotics technology developed by Sony. Keymitt uses advanced encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to ensure the highest possible level of security. Plus, Keymitt Smart Lock creates a log of every time your door lock is opened or closed, even by hand. With the Keymitt Hub, users are alerted whenever the Keymitt Smart Lock is manipulated. No matter where you are, you'll always know your door is safe and secure. You can even share temporary digital keys and scheduled keys, and you can disable a shared key at any time. Operate your smart lock with smartwatches, an Android phone widget, and set an auto unlock when you approach your door. Convenient, reliable, and simple to install. Want the Keymitt Smart Lock in your home? We're waiting for your order.
Meet Teodor, your brand new personal doorman. Teodor is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With Teodor, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. Teodor can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. Teodor instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal. We're a team of devoted experts who have been working for 2 years, perfecting your doorman's behavior and appearance. And now, Kickstarter, it's your turn to unlock our project and bring Teodor to life.
Hello Kickstarter, please show us your support by backing our project. Thank you.